Hey guys, what's up? Found another abandoned place, a few of them. They're falling in though. I'm just gonna walk around, show you it, take some pictures. Look at that stuff. And now walking here. Wow, the floor fell through. That stuff. Like, this place flooded out, so everyone had to leave. They couldn't fix anything. Oh, it's a vulture. A little nest, birds. A lot of this stuff they left. Kind of left a lot. Well, not a lot, but like all these cups. So there's the raven or vulture. What's up? Oh, another one. That's cool. That's basically it for this house. I'll leave those guys alone. Keep going. It's the bathroom. The bathroom is wrecked. Another room in here. Left this stuff. All those old VHS tapes. Crazy wasp. These floors all fell in, so I'm just gonna get out of this building. Maybe there's another one, I'll see what's in it, okay? Well guys, I just found out this is like an abandoned ghost town. This all flooded out, and this street here used to be a road with houses on it. Now it's nothing. So you got this fire hydrant right here in the middle of the woods. This used to be a road, and this was a house at one point. Foundation of the house. Here's the fence. Look at this. Oh, it looks like this house burnt down at one point. Well, there's the inside of the house. So this house probably burnt down and then just left it here to rot. So at one point this was their yard. There's the fence to the yard. And you have this in your backyard. Which is pretty freaking awesome. But this would flood a lot. So it wiped out like 90% of the houses in this neighborhood. There's a few left. Maybe I'll come back again with someone else. See if we can get into the other houses. So this one would probably be the ghost town. See, this is what I call awesome. Just living in the middle of the woods. And then there's the telephone pole, the wires. There's about 3 of these roads here, and I would like to explore it more, which would be great, but at night. I love the nighttime, so we'll do it at night. What it looks like. Blocked it off. And there's the old street sign right there. Here's the garage. It's probably the best part of the house. Got a fridge, some stuff. The outside of the house. This is like kind of an abandoned road, and we got more houses there. Right now they're working on knocking these down, so oh, there's a lot of wasp in here. So I gotta be careful. I'm not sure. Go in this one. See those wasps right there making nests or something. So I'm going to go around them. So in here we have the kitchen. Another wasp. Look at this. Holy crap. Oh, there's me. He's right there. That's the bathroom's probably wrecked in the back there. Probably not gonna go, but look at that door. Small house, black mold. Stuff like that. Boy. I'm not gonna. What we got in here? Another room. Little shirt. Alright, not much to this place, but this will be like a little filler video. So I'll upload as soon as I can. Make sure you like and subscribe. Viking Punch.